Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Glossier gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.glossier.com and press enter. Once you end up in the official web page of glossier.com, go and click the human icon at the upper right hand corner and make sure to log into your account by entering your account's credentials. Once you're logged into your account, click on your profile icon located at the upper right hand corner. Now click on Payments and Credits. Once you end up in this page under Payments and Credits, you'll be able to see an option that says Gift Card Balance. Click on Redeem a Code link right next to it and enter your gift card code that is available at the back of your Glossier gift card. Once you enter the information, click the Continue button beneath and you'll be able to redeem your gift card online for Glossier.com. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.